Out on a cool, windy Saturday morning, checking on the garden. Look at here, I still have some jalapeno peppers growing in November. The whole plant look like it's about to die out on me. Still have some blooms there. But I have some jalapeno peppers I'm gonna harvest. Yes. Look at my okra plant. Still have some flowers blooming on it. Okay, okra. I see you. Way up there. Getting tall. Okay, okra. Looking beautiful. You have okra still growing over here too. Over here, my collard greens are coming up. I see you, collard greens. Come on. I see you. I think I may need to put another one over in that corner there. The back row is growing kind of slow. But the front row here, y'all coming up good. Okay, collard greens, come on. Over here, I see my onions are sprouting up good. And in here, this is supposed to be my mustard greens. I see they finally coming up. And this is supposed to be the red mustard greens over here. You can see the little red cone on that leaf. It's my red mustard greens in this area. I think this is the regular mustard greens, and I got the red mustard greens on this side, mixed in here with a lot of onions. I see your onions. Okay, onions. Onions and my mustard greens. I have one last bell pepper plant that's still looking green out here. It produced a few bell peppers this season. I think I'm gonna uproot it and put it in a pot and bring it inside and try to overwinter it. See if it'll continue to grow inside and if it'll last, and bring it back out in the spring and see if it'll still produce some bell peppers for us. My bell pepper plant is inside now. I uprooted it from the ground and put it in a container pot. Let's see if it's gonna survive overwintering it and be ready to go back out in the spring and produce us some more bell peppers. We will see. Okay, bell pepper. Continue to grow for us. My lettuce over here is sprouting up, but not as much as I thought it was going to be. I need to sow some more lettuce seeds, I think, in here. I see a little of them still trying to germinate there. Coming up slowly. My green beans and yellow wax beans over there. I see they have some blooms on them coming out. Come on, green beans and yellow wax beans and lettuce. Yes, look at my green beans and my yellow wax beans. Beautiful, beautiful blooms on them. Come on, come on. Grow me some green beans and yellow wax beans. Yes, I think I'm gonna add some more seeds in this area here. This row here didn't germinate that good. Okay. Let's see my lettuce over there. I need to sow some more seeds over there. to fill it in a little better. Okay, green beans and yellow wax beans. Come on and grow. Okay, I'm gonna harvest soon my sweet potatoes. It's been almost 4 months since I planted them. Okay. Okay, sweet potatoes. Almost 4 months since I planted my sweet potato slips. And I think I'm gonna harvest them before Thanksgiving. We're getting ready to have a lot of rain coming through next week. I think it is a lot of more rain, so I'm gonna cover these up because I don't want them to get rotted out with a lot of excess water that came on at the last time before it's time to harvest them. So I want to keep them dry as possible. So I'm gonna cover these up with some plastic. I'm probably gonna harvest them next week. Let them get, I think at the end of next week we're supposed to have some hot days. Next weekend I think it is. Let them get a few days of some nice hot sun on them to keep them dried out, because you don't want to harvest them wet. You want to harvest them dry. I want to make sure it's on a dry day that I'm going to harvest them. So I'm going to cover these up with some plastic and harvest my sweet potatoes soon. My sweet potatoes are all covered up. So this rain, heavy rain that's coming the rest of this weekend and early part of next week, won't soak them too bad, because you don't want all that water on your sweet potatoes when you're getting ready to harvest them. You don't want the water to rot it out. So I covered it up. Next week again, I think I'm going to harvest them and have them ready for Thanksgiving. I hope I have a good harvest of sweet potatoes this season. My fruit trees over here. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this cool breeze today. But when it start getting real cold, I'm gonna bring y'all in, because I don't want to lose y'all. I want y'all to be able to come back out during the spring and the summer. I know y'all not gonna be able to take all of this cold weather. Lemon tree, pomegranate, and my apple tree here. And my lemon tree here, it's in the ground here. It keeps getting bigger and beautiful. Hold up, please, until the spring and the summer, and come back and grow us some more lemons. I think when it get too cold out here, I'm gonna come and wrap you up, okay? Now look over here. Cabbage, y'all looking beautiful. Yes, y'all are. Look at you. Okay, cabbage. Yes. Cabbage and my carrots growing in there together. Okay. I see a little of the onions that I put in there coming up. I'm gonna add some more. And this is the onion bed here. I see they are sprouting out. I see they sprouting out. Yes. Okay, come on up. And this tomato plant, you say, I'm not gonna die. It looks so beautiful and green there. Come on, let's see if anything's gonna grow on you before the cold weather take you out. But I see your onion. I see you coming up. I see your onion coming up. Yes. Okay. Okay, cabbage, y'all looking great.